If you want to turn your slow, sluggish golf cart into a high-speed neighborhood cruiser that hits 30 to 40 miles per hour without blowing up your electronics, you need to stop and watch this video. Most cart owners waste thousands of dollars on cheap speed chips, universal controllers, or dangerous governor bypasses that cause electrical fires and burn out stock motors. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 fastest golf cart speed modifications that actually work, rank ordered by real-world performance, torque gains, and long-term reliability. If you want to build the fastest cart in your community while protecting your investment, hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and tap that bell icon right now so you never miss our weekly performance technical breakdowns. Taking a standard 14-mile-per-hour golf cart and transforming it into a high-speed vehicle requires understanding how electrical power converts into mechanical speed. If you simply force a stock direct current motor to spin faster without upgrading your power foundation, heat resistance will quickly destroy your controller board and battery cables. To achieve safe, reliable speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour, you must upgrade your powertrain components in a precise, logical sequence. First on our list is the undisputed king of performance modifications, a Navitas alternating current motor and controller conversion kit. Standard factory golf carts rely on outdated direct current drive systems that waste massive amounts of electrical energy as heat. Converting your vehicle to a modern alternating current system completely replaces your factory motor and controller with a heavy-duty 5 kilowatt alternating current motor paired with a 600 amp programmable controller. This single upgrade transforms your driving experience by delivering up to 80% more climbing torque and instantly increasing your top speed to 30 miles per hour or higher. Furthermore, alternating current systems feature regenerative braking and Bluetooth app connectivity, allowing you to fine-tune your acceleration curves and maximum speed directly from your smartphone or an on-the-fly dashboard dial. Second is upgrading to a high-output, continuous discharge lithium iron phosphate battery system. While many owners focus purely on motors, your battery pack is the actual fuel pump of your entire vehicle. Traditional lead-acid batteries suffer from severe voltage sag under heavy acceleration, meaning your voltage drops dramatically the harder you push the throttle. Swapping out heavy lead-acid batteries for a 72-volt or high-output 48-volt lithium pack sheds nearly 300 pounds of dead weight from your frame. Lithium batteries deliver continuous, unyielding voltage output all the way down to 0% charge, supplying the massive instantaneous amperage required by high-performance speed controllers without overheating. Third is installing a high-speed rear differential gear set. If you drive primarily on flat-paved neighborhood streets, upgrading your internal rear axle gear ratio from the factory 12-to-1 gear setup down to an 8-to-1 or 6-to-1 high-speed ratio converts your motor revolutions directly into higher ground speed. By changing the mechanical advantage inside your transaxle, your motor spins fewer revolutions per mile while driving the cart significantly faster. When paired with an upgraded motor and controller, a high-speed gear swap can easily add 6 to 10 miles per hour to your top-end speed. However, because higher gear ratios reduce low-end climbing torque, this modification is best suited for flat terrain or carts equipped with high-torque alternating current motors. Fourth is upgrading to heavy-duty 2-gauge pure copper battery cables and a 400-amp solenoid. Factory golf carts ship with thin 6-gauge or 4-gauge wiring designed strictly for low speeds. When you install high-performance motors or controllers, electrical current spikes dramatically. Thin factory wires act like an electrical bottleneck, generating extreme heat that melts wire insulation and starves your motor of energy. Swapping your stock harness for thick, 2-gauge pure copper welding cables, paired with a heavy-duty silver contact solenoid, eliminates electrical resistance, and allows maximum current to flow smoothly to your powertrain. Fifth is upgrading to taller 22 or 23-inch street or all-terrain tires. Increasing your wheel and tire diameter acts as a natural mechanical gear ratio adjustment. Swapping stock 18-inch turf tires for taller 23-inch tires increases your overall wheel circumference, instantly adding 2 to 4 miles per hour to your top speed without touching a single wire. Upgrade your golf cart's speed safely without sacrificing reliability. How fast does yours run right now? Drop a comment below.